What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video. Today we're having a look at the Tanggula X5 Pro TV box. Just to let you guys know right away in the beginning of this video that I will be giving my honest review on this product. I have seen many reviews online on YouTube and most of the reviews are positive. I haven't seen many negative reviews. And just a quick note that this product was sent by Tanggula a few months ago, and I've got a few things to say about not only this product but the brand itself. Alright, so let's just quickly talk about the product itself. This is the Tanggula X5 Pro Android TV box. And in terms of the specifications of this Android TV box, it runs on Android 11. It has the S905X4 64-bit quad-core ARM Cortex-A55 CPU. Has the G31 MP2 GPU, 4GB of RAM of DDR3, 128GB of storage. You do have access to the Play Store to download whatever apps that you want to play games, and of course your other movie and TV shows apps. It supports up to 8K Ultra HD resolution according to the website. This product has Wi-Fi 5. It has Bluetooth 4.0. You can also connect this product to the Ethernet, but let's have a look at what you get in the box. So once you open the cover of the box, the first thing you'll see is going to be the product itself, the Tanggula X5 Pro TV box. And as you can see, it looks pretty nice. In terms of the quality of the box, the top's possibly made of either plastic or glass. At the bottom, the shell itself, the side, the whole frame seems to be made of aluminum metal, so pretty high quality, has a pretty nice weight to it. It's not made of plastic like some other lower end quality Android TV box. As you can see, it does capture a lot of fingerprints at the top. At the back right here, we got a USB 2.0 port, Ethernet port, HDMI, you got the SPDIF port, these holes right here, and of course on the side is for ventilation. On the other side we do have a micro SD card port, a USB 3.0. This is the Wi-Fi adapter that comes with the Android TV box. I have been using this product for some time, but I've got to say I've actually haven't used the product in almost a month. Initially this was okay, but if you zoom in right here, you can see on the front right here we do have a little screen that tells you the time whenever you turn the box on. Other than that, you're going to get a user guide and Android TV user manual, and honestly, in terms of instructions, it is not really useful. I've got to say, it's not really clear in my opinion. So in terms of instructions, I think that they could improve. In this box we do have a remote control. So here is going to be the default IR remote control that you can use, and of course we do have another remote control. This controller is going to allow you to basically have like an air mouse control, and both of these remote controls are going to require two AAA batteries. Finally, in the box right here you will get a power adapter and of course an HDMI cable. So let me tell you the pros and cons of this product. First of all, the pros is that it has over 10,000 live channels, mostly from the United States, some in Canada, and a few in other countries such as France, UK, Spain, and much more. There aren't any channels from Korea, Vietnam, China, or Hong Kong except for those two channels from Hong Kong. But in terms of channels from the US, it has a lot of options. It has over 50,000 movies and TV shows, and the build quality of this product is pretty good. And of course, you got the Air Mouse remote control, which will make things easier when it comes to browsing through the system. Now here is the con of this product. So first of all, the price is $359 US. It's not a cheap price. It is considered to be one of the most top of the line expensive Android TV box that you can get on the market. And of course, I would expect it to be performing really well. Now, unfortunately, from my time that I was using this Android TV box watching live TV channels, I have been experiencing quite some few buffering issues. Sometimes the channel would not load at all. Sometimes the channel would load but would buffer every minute or so, which makes it unwatchable. Now this whole video is not to tell you to not buy this product, but to think about it, to consider or reconsider before making this purchase. About a month ago, the brand Tanggula, the company, has remotely disabled this product. What it means is that I'm not able to use this product at all. Whenever I turn on this product, I plug it in, it turns on. After about 30 seconds or so, it automatically turns off with a message that says your device has been disabled. Please contact the vendor. This is something completely unacceptable. A company that has the ability, the capability to manually disable your device without your consent. So imagine paying $359 for a product that you think you own. This device has been disabled for about a month or so. I cannot use it. It's unusable. This is basically a piece of, in simple word, a piece of junk. And if you guys got any concerns before purchasing this product, let me know down below in the comments. You can join my Discord if you want and ask the questions over there as well. But overall, from my personal experience, I would not recommend getting the Tanggula X5 Pro. Now, I did saw a new product that they sold on the website. It was a projector that runs on Android. So again, I don't think it's a great idea to buy a projector from Tanggula. Since the projector runs on Android, there's a possibility that Tanggula can disable your projector as well. Tanggula is not a great brand to get these Android TV box. Even though they say you pay once and you get the service for a lifetime, this is not true. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm gonna catch you guys very soon. Peace out.